Oh, my hair. I was asleep. Good morning. Good morning, travelers and everybody watching. We are on our way to California, LA, California, for my birthday. Yes, this is a birthday trip, road trip. Our first road trip. We just stopped on the side of the road real quick. Got to get a picture and just want to tell y'all good morning. And we are on our way, so we only have like under an hour to go. So we're almost there. So thanks for tuning in and stay tuned. Everybody, so we are less than an hour away from Los Angeles, and I just wanted to say whoever's taking a road trip from Las Vegas to California, you definitely want to take some gum because your ears will pop a lot in between these mountains in the elevation. Never really hear anybody saying that. All of YouTube videos we've seen and watched,
vehicle stopped on road ahead.
Definitely need some gum because your ears will definitely pop in the mountains. So that's just a quick tip. So we just got a glimpse of the Staples Center. We're getting off on the exit right now.
Turn right.
My husband is really excited. Off the highway. Oh my gosh. Staples Center is right up here. We made it to the Staples Center. Look. So cool. I can't believe we're actually here. Awesome. This had to be our very first stop when we came in. Had to be. Definitely got to check this out. So we made it to the Hollywood Walk of Fame, well, stars. It is literally like just on the street. Like, I thought it was gonna be so different looking, but it's like on the street. They're just right there. Like, they're just all along the street. It seems like it would be so many people waiting to see this, and it's like no one around. Like, no one is caring. It's all on the other side. It's like crazy. Look at Luther.
Look.
Wow. What's up, Luther? Luther. That's cool. Little Richard, Jimmy Kimmel. Look, the Dolby Theater, right next to the Chinese Theater. Wow. Look at the Muppets. 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 Lo Muppet. Oh, Winnie the Pooh. I didn't know fictional characters could have a star. Right here. Right across from the Dolby Theater. Guess who we found? Uh-huh. Sandra Bullock. Keanu Reeves. Oh, Britney Spears. Free Britney Spears. Whoopi Goldberg, right? Too many pictures. Ricky Martin. Wayne Newton. John Travolta. Robin Williams, John Singleton. In Rush Hour, yep, they were right here. And he was saying John Wayne. So there's Donald Duck. Michael Jackson is up in here somewhere. Oh, there he is. There's Michael Jackson. Wow. That is Michael Jackson's footprint. That's amazing. Eddie Murphy where? Oh yeah, look at his signature. That is awesome. Clint Eastwood. I see Will Smith right there. I am standing on Michael Jackson's Hollywood star. Oh my gosh. Bruce Lee. Yes. That's my girl. They got a star for Shrek. That's hilarious. Anita Baker. Yes, ma'am. This is where it all began. At this location in 1958, the first 8 stars. The capsule dedicated November 2010. Wow. These are the first, what, 8 stars it said? These are the first ones. This is where Elvis's star used to be. But they took it up because of the deterioration. Ray Charles. Ray Charles is right next to Elvis Presley. B.B. King. There go our boy, Will Ferrell. He is so funny. Roseanne. Wow, Betty White.
Gotta get Betty.
And we saw Jimi Hendrix. John Ritter, the guy from the father from Problem Child. He died. Capitol Records. We got a security guard right outside. I finally found it. I searched forever and I really wanted to touch Marilyn Monroe's star. This is like awesome. Here's a tip: if you ever come to the Hollywood Walk of Fame, Marilyn Monroe's star is directly in front of the McDonald's on Hollywood, Hollywood Boulevard. I mean Ledgewood. It is very steep, so be careful. Corner of Roderton and Deronda.
Quarter mile, the destination is on your right. 3200 Deronda Drive.
We had to turn around. Go ahead. We had to turn around to see it. Oh my God, we were so confused. We were up there, but you have to turn around. I'm touching it. This is so awesome. All right. Fourth line. Wow. He's in here.
Cheers.
Yep. This is a huge cemetery. We even got people right here. Michael Jackson is buried in there. Michael Jackson is in there. Want to see the grave site? Of course, is closed right now, but Michael Jackson is buried in the Holly Terrace entrance. Well, this is the entrance, and he's buried somewhere in there. But that's pretty cool, knowing that he's in there. King of Pop. Freedom. We're trying to find Walt Disney's thing, and it's the Freedom Mausoleum. So this is the Court of Freedom. That's got. Is that the mausoleum? It is the Freedom Mausoleum right there. So you go inside. So it's at the Court of Freedom. We found the Freedom Mausoleum, and we're gonna go see. Who are we seeing again? I heard that George Washington is in here. Who are we seeing again? No, it can't be. Who are we gonna go see? I forget.
Oh,
Walt Disney. Wow. You can go in. Wow, Walt Disney is right here, y'all. Walter Disney. Wow, that is amazing. Of course, we gotta respect the gravesite, but he is right here. Wow. All right, you want to see if this is open? Yep. Let's go see if Dorothy Dandridge. Dorothy Dandridge is in here somewhere. I'm not sure where, but she's definitely buried in here. She's right there. Probably. So most of the parking is going to be on the street, and it's $3 for 2 hours. But we're on Melrose Avenue, going to get something to eat and look at some Kobe Bryant murals. Found another Kobe mural on Melrose. Oh my God, I love this one. This is my favorite. Wow. Floyd one. Rest in peace. And next to Kobe. I have to stop and get some fruit. We made it to Urban Light. It looks like it's closed. You can't actually go inside because they're painting it, but I just really, really wanted to see this. We're here. Wow. Wow, we're on Canyon Drive. Beverly Hills sign is over there. We finally found one of those lined streets with the palm trees. Watch it. Beverly Hills Garden Park. Wow. It's so weird. Like, we're actually here, but it doesn't feel like we're here. It's like, you see this in movies and stuff, and it's like crazy. Can't believe we're actually here. So that's where it says, if you can see right behind it, says the Beverly Hills Hotel, but it's covered up. It says thank you Health Heroes. But this is the entrance. Marilyn Monroe herself stayed here, and they hadn't really changed the style of it. They really tried to keep that vintage look. So that's pretty cool. Stop Rodeo Drive. On our road trip in LA, we're going to head back to Las Vegas after just riding through Rodeo Drive, the famous Rodeo Drive, and that will be it. We'll head back to Las Vegas, and my birthday is tomorrow. Wow, that's her hotel? Yeah.
Beverly Hills?
Wow.